Hello aspirants, my name is Shraddha. Welcome to the channel Your UPSC Notes. On this channel, I share with you all my own notes so that you can get an idea as to how you can make short and crisp notes on different subjects, जो कि both prelims and mains examinations में आपको help करेंगे. अगर आपको मेरे नोट्स से आइडिया लेकर अपने नोट्स बनाते हैं तो इससे लास्ट मोमेंट्स पर रिवाइज एंड मेमोराइज करना आपके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. मेरे पास इस टॉपिक का डिटेल्ड वर्जन नोट्स भी है. अगर आपको डिटेल्ड वर्जन नोट्स चाहिए किसी टॉपिक का तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताएं. देन आई विल शेयर विथ यू ऑल द डिटेल्ड वर्जन एज वेल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले. Today, I'm sharing with you all my functions of the Constituent Assembly notes, important from both prelims and mains perspective. As you can see, कैसे बड़ी सी कहानी को short करके लिखा है मैंने so that it easily sticks to your brain during your exams. So the functions of the Constituent Assembly, as you can see, I have given the heading other functions of the Constituent Assembly. Why other functions? Because as we all know, the primary function, the main function of the Constituent Assembly was to frame the Constitution. जो हम सभी लक्ष्मीकांत में पढ़ते हैं, लेके हाथों में घूमते रहते हैं, the entire Constitution. So this was the main function of the Constituent Assembly. The primary function, to frame the Constitution of the India. The other things along with the framing of the Constitution, the other activities that they performed will come under other functions of the Constituent Assembly. So the other functions were, first, enacting ordinary laws for the regulation, day-to-day regulation and of the country, because the country was getting independence and it was a chaos. So they enacted other ordinary laws apart from framing of the Constitution. Then second thing what they did, the Constituent Assembly did was they ratified India's membership to the Commonwealth in 1949. As we all know, the British gave the India choice whether we want to stay, whether we want to remain in the Commonwealth, or we had also option to come out of the Commonwealth. So India chose to remain with the Commonwealth. So India ratified, the Constituent Assembly ratified India's membership to the Commonwealth in 1949. This was other function that they performed. Then the Constituent Assembly also adopted national flag. They adopted national flag. Date is not important when they adopted, but I've just written it, 22nd July 1947. And the other function they performed was they also adopted national anthem. We all know Jana Gana Man. They adopted national anthem. Again, the date is not that important in UPSC. So, but I've written, you can see 24 January 1950. And they also adopted, the Constituent Assembly also adopted the national song. And then the last function they performed was, not last as in the last, but the other function that they performed, they elected the Constituent Assembly elected the President of India, the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So the Constituent Assembly elected the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, on 24 January 1950, because by that time there was no entire process completely through which the India was going to, like, the Constituent Assembly itself was not a representative body entirely as we have today under RPA Act. Like the elected member parliamentarians are going from every nook and corner of the country, they are getting elected. It was not the case with Constituent Assembly. In the same way, the first president was also not elected from the states or like that way. The process we have today, it was elected by the he was elected by the Constituent Assembly itself. So this is all for the functions of the Constituent Assembly in this video, and I would request you to like my videos, share with your friends who are also in this journey with you towards the preparation of UPSC. and please subscribe to my channel. I will be helping you all by sharing my notes, so then it really helps you to like don't get lost what to write, क्या notes बनाने हैं, क्या लिखने हैं. So you don't get lost and you will get idea on my channel on different subjects, and I will keep helping you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.